Civil Engineering Technology program is a 3-year advanced diploma, 6 semesters, with an optional co-op term between second and third year.
The civil engineering program at Humber has different areas of expertise, so they are exposed to different branches and they have the opportunity to decide which one they want to go into when they get into the professional career.
The Board of Governors Award is actually given to students that exemplifies leadership, community service, and academic excellence. That was given to me in 2024, and it was something that I was nominated for, which I'm very appreciative of. It's really good to know that the work that you're doing here at Humber and the broader community gets recognized.
Honestly, just walking in here every day is amazing. It's a very inclusive environment.
The students are exposed to the theory, and then after that we take them to the lab or we take it to the field work, and they put in practice what they learned in the classroom.
We do courses such as environmental engineering, transportation, structural design and analysis. We also do a lot of soil tests. If you're interested in doing AutoCAD, we do a lot of work where that is concerned as well. Anything to get your hands dirty, just expect that this program is the right fit.
If you lock in, you get the opportunities to go to co-op and go out in the field and work with real life engineers to really build your knowledge and be set up for the future.
The feedback we get from employers and industry for our co-op students is fantastic. They're continuously asking us for more and more students. They are joining our program advisory committees, and they are hiring our students full-time when they're done.
Honestly, after here, settled for a couple months and involved with my profs and classmates, I can say I made the best choice.